Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, okay, as you can see, I'm at the inspection center. Okay, because of the exhaust, right? I have to get it reset. Okay, and in Singapore, you know, it's quite troublesome. Right, so today we're going to show you the whole process, okay, on how to get an exhaust, how to get it certified, okay, and how to use it properly. Right, so for those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe because we have a lot of videos like this coming up. Right, and it's my turn coming soon. I'm going to get out. Right, so without further ado, we're going to show you how it works. Alright, so let's go. That was half the inspection done. Okay, as you can see, okay, just now when I went into the counter, right, I actually made payment for the exhaust inspection. Alright, and then I have to go in and then the person will drive the car for me, and then we have to go back and they have to generate the new certificate. Okay, the new certificate for me. Alright, and then after that I have to make payment to come for the normal inspection, okay, because my road tax is coming up. Right, so now we're going for the normal inspection. Right, so guys, going through the exhaust transfer, right? Okay, in short, okay, I got the Iserman exhaust. Okay, when I went to the workshop, okay, to transfer the name from the previous owner to my name, okay, because I bought it new. Okay, that one, the transfer is $350. With GST is about 374 if I never remember wrongly. Alright, so 374 at that side. Okay, and over here I paid $94 for the normal inspection. So total I would say 374 and 94, 468. Yeah, I think it's 468. Okay, in total. Okay, to get it totally done. Alright, so there's a lot of confusion. You know, people will be like, you know, when I buy a second-hand exhaust, okay, the charges are so high to get the inspection and everything, you know, I must buy a new one. So guys, in short, okay, what I paid is $468. Alright, so for other brands and all this, I do not know. Mine is the Iserman. Okay, my normal inspection is coming soon. Okay, as you can see, just now it was bright, now it's raining, now it's bright again, it's crazy. Our car inspection failed. Alright, because we have failed alignment, okay, and rear LED lights are not approved. Okay, you have to have normal halogen bulbs, okay, the old tag. You can't use the new tag on the old tag. Ridiculous. Okay, but anyway, okay, we're going to change the bulbs for now. Alright, and tip for you guys, okay, for those of you who are going for inspection, if your alignment is wrong, right, okay, there's a lot of shops, okay, just outside the inspection center at Xinmin. Right, so we got ours done over here. It was just a 30 minutes job, okay, and everything is professionally done, I would say, okay, and I'm quite happy with it. After that, okay, we actually went for our lunch, okay, and we saw this auto parts store, which is, I would say, less than 300 meters from the inspection center. Right, so they sell a lot of parts, okay, so I was trying my light. Do you have a light bulb, okay, which is the T15 light bulbs for our reverse lights, and they have it. Alright, so now I'm going to change it before I go back to pass my inspection. So I'm going to do it right now. For those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe. We have a lot of crazy videos coming up. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to do it. Let's go! So we have done the alignment, we have done the LED headlights, okay, and these are the two things that are out, okay, and we're going to go through again. Fingers crossed. Let's hope everything is fine. We've been here for like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Oh my god. Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the video. Okay, we actually went through the inspection. Okay, the guy actually told me to queue up again. Okay, they have to check the alignment and the rear LED lights and all this. Okay, but I was walking beside the car. I didn't see them checking anything. The whole car just went through the whole thing and then he said, okay, it's passed already. He could have told me earlier so that I don't have to go one more round. But then again, it's their culture, work habit, I'm not sure. Okay, but at the end of the day, the good thing is, it's passed. Right, so guys, okay, that's the end of the video. Okay, for those of you who are coming to inspection, okay, take note, bring some tools around. You never know if you need to change something out, or you know, if you're all legal, then it's fine. Okay, I mean, for us, you know, we're not so legal. Right, so guys, I hope you guys have fun. Okay, take care, see you. Okay, enjoy your day. Have fun. Bye bye.